Okay, so hi guys, we are continuing the podcast. So come fast.
We won't stop there, no?
Yeah, I know. By the time we call it entertainment.
That won't be in the video.
I know. Okay, so this is the chocolate that I bought. These are tiny mini chocolate cubes, and I love chocolate. So yeah, and this is some chocolate wheat puffs. So we saw corn puffs, and we thought wheat puffs would be good too. We bought that.
It's good.
And this is Pokey. We got a
Rapid fire
taste test for this, and this was like really, really good. The chocolate was too nice and dark. So
And so crispy.
it has two packets, so like that's good.
Yeah. If you guys are wondering why we are rushing, our dad has this spare coin change, which we can like buy something. We'll go there after this. So we are gonna go spend it on something. So
And these are marshmallows, so we got them. Marshy Marchies. And
close it to the screen like that.
Marshy Marchies. And then these are like chewable grape candy. Again, something that I bought because I love grapes.
Yeah.
And I don't know what this is. It's just chewy, sugary
Donuts.
candy something. I don't know. So that.
The three flavors. Raspberry.
And yeah, this was the one I was
Melon.
searching for. The third packet. And this is a
Get them coming.
matcha latte
Oh yeah.
from Starbucks. And my mom really wanted it, so we got it for her because it has a lot of health benefits. So we were like, why not drink it? So yeah.
Anti-aging, anti-inflammation, good sleep, and all that. And she did not want to do that one. Actually, I have to stir it really fast with
Yeah.
butter, making ceremony. It's a lot of work. So this is like ready to eat sachet.
So yeah, this. These are like a
Sour
bottle
powder.
sauce. You just put it and be like. So
My
yeah.
mouth is already watering.
There.
You have to show it toast like that.
Then this is her great one. Then these are like tiny marshmallows, like really tiny marshmallows. There you go. And this is the other marshmallow.
Come on,
Then
get started.
we got some mochi chewy thing. It looks really chewable, so we bought them.
How do we open this now?
You gotta cut it open.
Yes,
So,
yes.
no. We'll just show it like this, I guess.
No.
Okay, then keep it down. Don't sound when I'm talking.
Wait. I want to cut it though.
You have to rip it. But I don't know. Yeah, cut it with scissors, I guess.
So soft.
Yeah, it's so soft, make me wonder if I can eat it. And then we got loads of pens. So we got these from
From
these from we got these from we got these from Family Mart. So I've shown these pens so many times.
yeah.
And we got loads of
Wait, don't make that sound too.
and we've got loads and loads of pens. So
That's a lot. Of
yeah,
pens.
no,
That's so
that's a
many.
lot. So here, this is a black pen.
Second one. One of the taxi.
Then this is a grey pen.
And also markers.
And-
Pastel markers.
Yeah, this is a maroon pen. I loved it, so I bought it. And this is like a bright blue pen. I never
Okay,
bought
let's
it.
about pens. Let's get the good part.
Okay. Then red pen, black pen, again another blue pen. No, wait, this is the good part. Go, hold. No! Hold this.
I just want to open this.
Wait, these are highlighters. I got it.
What really? What? Do not open the packaging until you have left Japan. Please note that if you consume this product while in Japan, you may be subject to pay consumption tax.
Oh my god, good you read that.
We were gonna tear this open. We're
Mama.
at the tax-free shop, so we're not
Oh,
opening this. This haul is coming out when we're in India inside our house.
damn, that's crazy. Good you read it.
Yeah.
Otherwise, dad would have like
Chopped me.
us.
But yeah, but they give an option whether or not they want the cover while shopping.
No, I guess this one dad showed passport or something, so because dad was
Yeah.
carrying a passport, so I guess that's why.
Show the passport, you get a 10% discount.
Yeah. So that's what.
I don't know.
And these are my They're so pastel, so pretty. Like, girl, look at that. I have yellow, gray, pink, skin color, purple, blue, another blue, green.
It's like the markers these YouTubers have, like these.
Yeah, so
Aesthetic.
aesthetic. Like this one, it's like you have the proper big highlighters and you have the tiny. If you want to make some
Oh, there
notes.
were two sides.
Yeah.
And it was like how many yen?
180.
180.
No, 150. 180, 180.
It would be worth it. See, too many
Yeah.
color markers, two colors.
Yeah.
That is just
Like, girl.
that's so good. That's totally worth it. That's totally worth it. Can I keep it there?
No. Yeah.
Okay.
So that's it.
Now for the best part.
Oh.
Did you forget about these?
Yeah, kind of.
Strawberry Kit Kats. Okay. So how many we have? 2, 3, 4, 5.
Where's 6 one?
That comes in.
I guess that forgot to count. What's that?
Guys,
What's that? Oh, the fan.
Dad got a phone.
Oh yeah, Dad brought a watch. Dad told.
Yeah. This is exact one Dad wear.
Yeah.
A Casio watch. How much was this?
Dad was so happy. Like he was smiling when he was talking about it.
2,200 yen. That is so
Because Dad wanted like made in Japan one. So like.
Oh, this had broken like so many times and he kept getting it fixed. Oh my god. What did he get? It's such a beautiful glass. Oh my god. See, it shows the different cuisines.
Things.
Shrimp, bonito, hirame, flatfish, taco, octopus, maguro tuna, uni sea urchin, sardines, squid, mackerel. Wow.
That's so pretty.
It's so pretty. I love it. Okay, next one. Oh yeah, we want to get an electronic because electronics in Japan. Oh, it's the exact one in Aru. Oh, I think there's no set.
Yeah.
Oh,
Crazy, crazy.
how much is this though?
I don't know. We're out of time. Come on, pass.
Okay.
Oh, it's
Another
another fan.
Oh, take it off.
Yes. There we go. Whoa.
We also got the matcha Kit Kat.
Yes. That's so cool.
Wow. Oh, oh, you can make a origami with the matcha cover. We have to translate this.
Whoa.
And all of them. We gotta
That's so
do that.
cool.
Maybe if you scan it, there will be instructions. Because
I'm not
let's say they're working towards like, first of all, they are like green farming all the ingredients. So second thing, they want to reduce the waste. So this is another initiative. There's a green mark. Can you see the settings?
Yeah.
That is so cool. That's really cool.
Next one.
And oh, gold. Gold is basically caramel, salted caramel.
Yeah.
I bet it's gonna be amazing. And yeah, that's it. This is the.
That's so tiny. How much is it? I want to see it.
So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Bye bye. How much is it? I want to see it.